In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an external integration of type ServiceNow knowledge base. The ServiceNow knowledge base is a ServiceNow table, KB knowledge, containing knowledge articles across several sub-knowledge bases, which can be accessed by ServiceNow users for training. In the agentic platform, agents can leverage the ServiceNow knowledge base articles via a dedicated external integration that you need to create and customize to your needs. Before creating the integration, you must ensure that you have created credentials allowing you to access your ServiceNow instance by going to Administration Credentials and Models. In this example, we will use personal credentials, but we recommend you use a service account, which has permission to view the ServiceNow knowledge base and its sub-knowledge bases. If you don't have ServiceNow credentials, you must add them before creating the external integration. Once you have dedicated ServiceNow credentials with the right permissions, go to Data Sources External Integrations. Click on Add External Integration, then select ServiceNow Knowledge Base to create a new integration. Now you can configure the external integration to fit your use case. In this tutorial, we will set up a data source that includes only the articles of our IT sub-knowledge base. Give a name to the data source. Choose the credentials to use for this data source. Next, enter a short description of the integration by specifying what it contains and what it is used for. Select the main language of the articles. Here we will select English, but French is also available. Enter an SQL query to specify what articles to include. In this case, our filter relates to the content of the IT sub-knowledge base. You can generate an SQL query that meets your requirements by filtering the knowledge base directly in the ServiceNow interface and copying it for use in the data source. Enter the ServiceNow article identifier, which is number by default. Specify the portal URL suffix of your ServiceNow instance. By default, this value is SP, but it might differ depending on your ServiceNow configuration. Finally, click Add External Integration to finalize the creation. Once the creation is confirmed, click back to External Integrations list to return to the list of external integrations. The ServiceNow IT Knowledge Base integration is now available in the list with the created status. Wait until the status of the integration indicates ready before adding this data source to an agent, as the content needs to be processed first.